morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tina Jones, a Nigerian mom and Nigerian YouTuber based in Mozambique. Welcome to my vlog. Right now, baby Brian have had his breakfast and had his bath already, so it's time for him to like sleep, morning sleep, so I can do my house chores. And I have order today, so this is me getting Brian dressed so that I can back him. After this, he will going to sleep now. So let's go to the kitchen and start our order.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it.
See who is sleeping. So right now I can quickly go and do what I want to do right now.
How I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast.
So guys, at this point I'm done washing the plate, so I just want to quickly arrange my dishes to where it's meant to be. Then after that I'll go and tidy the place I washed my plate, mop the floor, then prepare lunch. We just came back for service, so thank God Brian has slept already. I'm free to do my house chores, so let me quickly make lunch before my hubby comes back. So don't forget to watch to the end, guys.